Hello and welcome from Capital Watch Club, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Omega Seamaster Professional 300M. So I purchased this watch from the Omega boutique in the Royal Exchange in London. So let's see what I got in the box. So what do we get in the bag? Well, obviously we got ourselves the watch box where the watch comes in, but we also got ourselves a magazine from Omega themselves, which is the Omega Lifetime Ocean Edition, and this shows us all of the ocean related watches such as the Planet Ocean or the Seamaster. There we go. And we also got ourselves a present actually from Omega themselves saying thank you for purchasing a watch, and that came in this box here, and I'll show you what I got at the end of the video. So first impressions of the box, it is a rather large box. Look at my hand for scale, and let's get it open. Straight away you can see the lovely Seamaster box. It's a beechwood box, and to the right we've got ourselves the operating manuals and the leather wallet that holds the international warranty, master chronometer certification and the pictogram card. So first of all, let's have a look at the operating instructions here. I have to admit I have not read everything in here, it's a rather large book. Next is the wallet, which holds the international warranty, the master chronometer certification and the pictogram card here. So here we can see the watch number, and very faintly you can see that it was purchased from the Royal Exchange in London, and the date of the 2nd of May 2019. That is my international warranty. Next is the pictogram card for the caliber number 8800. I'm just blocking out my watch serial number there, and it shows you the fact that it is a, if it focuses here, it's a 30 bar certified. It goes up to 15,000 Gauss, and I have a 5-year warranty as long as the master chronometer certification, and the fact that this particular watch has Sedna Gold, that may give it away to you which one I have got. Next we go for the master chronometer certification, which is right here. And on the flip side, these are all wireless tap cards, which is a bit more modern than the paper version. I still have the original plastic over the button, so let's just press that, maybe just pull it forward a tad, press it and open it to reveal the watch. Now, if there's any doubts on what it is the Omega Seamaster 300 meter in black, steel and Sedna Gold. Sedna Gold being the name that Omega use for their rose gold, their own brand of rose gold that is. So the features of this watch is that it's got great anti-magnetic qualities, it goes up to 15,000 Gauss, it has a Serra Gold bezel, it's a master chronometer certified, it has a date window at the 6 o'clock position, it has a helium escape valve here, a screw down crown, a transparent case back, which I'll show you shortly, and a unidirectional rotating bezel. So let's take a closer look at the movement here. We've got ourselves a caliber 8800, and it's a coaxial escapement, which means it should not need a service for about 8 to 10 years, which is absolutely brilliant. As you can see, Omega have brought back the classic wavy dial and these have now been laser etched into the ceramic dial here. The date has been placed at 6 o'clock, which I think works really well on this watch. The helium escape valve has been updated here at the 50 marker to be more of a cone shape, and it's been dubbed the Reese's Pieces cup. Arguments whether it's necessary or not, but I actually don't mind it on my watch. Now let's move on to the strap. Now I'm definitely a fan of the rubber strap on this timepiece. I'm not a huge fan of the metal bracelet. I know it comes along with the metal bracelet, but I am definitely more in favour of the rubber bracelet and this the rubber straps, I should say, sorry. And this rubber strap is probably the best rubber strap I've ever had on a timepiece. I'll tell you why. Omega here are using a vulcanized rubber strap, so it is extra tough and durable and should last you a very long time. They use a buckle on this strap, not a clasp, but I still think this is a great buckle and it's very secure. The thing that makes this watch so secure is the first keeper here. It's actually made out of titanium. See, but this is rubber, it moves here. This is titanium. You cannot move this at all, so it makes it a lot more durable and it doesn't move at all. The second floating keeper has this small rubber indentation that you can see under here that actually locks in to the last indentation on the strap, which makes it even more secure. This has to be the most secure rubber strap that I have seen in the whole of horology. Back to the front of the watch, we have obviously the Serra gold bezel here, which is rose gold and ceramic, that has been set here for a lovely shiny finish. You can see the steel lugs here, which have a combination of polish on this side and brushed steel on this side and polished on the top sides, which makes the size of this watch, being 44mm, look a lot smaller than it actually fits. Now, quite a large complaint some people have about wearing a rubber strap is that your wrists get very sweaty, but Omega have gone to the trouble of researching into this, and they use a waved pattern on the underside of the rubber strap which helps airflow, so it should be much more comfortable on the wrist. Here we go with a wrist shot. Now, as you can see on my wrist, this fits perfectly. I wouldn't normally buy a 42mm watch, but the way that this watch is crafted together, where the rubber strap comes straight from the watch itself, it drops down straight away instead of coming out and down, that it actually fits a lot more snug. Fits more like a 39 than a 42 in my personal opinion. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, let's have a quick look at the present that I got from Omega for buying from the boutique. As you can see, the box there. And let's open it. It is, in fact, a wallet or a card holder. Thank you for watching my unboxing of the Omega Seamaster Professional 300M. If you've got any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below. Please give a like if you enjoyed and subscribe if you want some more content. Also, let me know if you'd like me to do a review of the Omega Seamaster Professional 300M, because I've had this watch for about 6 months now and I've got some great insights into it. Let me know. Thanks for watching.